guys, welcome back to another episode of V Builds. We have this bike right here and we are going to install handlebar side lights for it because right now it has very boring handle terminals. So we are going to remove the stock ones and install pretty good looking handlebar lights. So let's do it. These are the current sidebar endpoints which are quite boring, so we are going to take them off and install our sidebar lights. Just pull it out. 1, 2. Here are the old boring ones. Now we'll have to make a hole somewhere on this rod so that we can pull out the wires and then connect to the indicators and the running lights. So we are thinking I'll just make it somewhere around here so that we can pull the wire through and then it goes with this and it doesn't look bad. Okay, get this. तुम्हारे को दिक्कत होगी हमेशा से. So we are gonna use the rubbers here in the lights. So let's take it out. So I'm taking the rubbers from the original terminals instead of the ones that came with the lights because these are a bit smaller and the ones that were already there are perfect size. So I'll be using these in the lights. Let's put them on. And just like that, it's quite snug, so that's a good thing actually. And here you go. This is on there. And I can just put on this bolt. There's one. And there's 2. So the lights are ready to install. We just need to make the connections now, and this one is the black wire goes to the negative obviously, and then the red one goes to the indicator wire and right and left respectively obviously, and then the white one goes to any positive source depending on if you want to put a switch in between or just connect it to the headlight or to the high beam depending on when you want your lights to be on. I'm gonna keep it to the headlights, so let's install them. Now let's measure it. It is gonna be this far, so I'll just measure from here. Okay, this much is long enough. Okay, 1, 2. Now this is gonna be my driving wire, so I'll put it in the hole and send it to the other side. There you go. Finally we have this wire through and through here and this wire through the hole here, so we tie them together and pull it out from that side so we can connect the light there. Let's do it. Finally. Good. Now we have the wires out from both ends, left and right. This one is to one light and this one is to other, and this tape, black tape, means this is the ground wire. Same for this one, black tape is the ground wire. So now we just pull it. Okay, pull it. First we go with the left one because that's the one which is a bit far. Then थोड़ा मतलब टूट जाएगा नहीं तो. Tape को पकड़. Okay, the wires are out. Awesome. There you go. Now push it in. नहीं उसको मत खींच, बस इसी को टाइट कर. We have one light installed and it is quite snug, doesn't move at all, looking pretty. Now for the right one. Now the right one, pull it. अब ये थोड़ा सा पंगा होएगा. आगे. Okay, we have the right one on. Oh, perfect. We have both the lights on, left and right, pretty snug. So the mechanism is something like this. There's a bolt inside, so in case it is not tight enough, you turn it like you tighten a screw, you turn it clockwise and it will pull itself inside. That's how the rubber here expands, and you know, it gets quite snug with the tube. So now let's make the connections quickly. So this is how it looks at night, and the wirings I wanted to show you. The wire goes from here and to the right indicator, these two, and part of this wire goes to the left indicator, and two from the middle goes to the headlight. So you see the wire is pretty neat and clean. It doesn't look bad, just meshes with the bike here on this side. If you see right here, this is the wire, so you can't tell, it's completely meshed with the bike, and there finally it goes inside the hole that we made. And with that we are done. So let me show you. As soon as we turn on the key, there we have the running lights, white on the left and right, and when you turn on the indicators, this is the right indicator, there you go, it blinks blue and white just like that, and left indicator blinks again blue and white. It looks pretty awesome. Check this out, looks pretty nice. So that's a wrap, guys. The installation is complete. It looks pretty awesome. Maybe I'll show you a night view as well. See you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.